let's take a look at the employee's individual tracking information. On the employees page, all we need to do is click the name of the employee in order to be taken to their personalized monitoring page. The first tab we have here is the activity log. On the left, we have the employee's information. You will be able to see their name, if they're being monitored, as well as their department and position, and the email tied to their Teramind account. You can also edit their information here or delete the employee. Up at the top, we have the calendar and date adjuster. You can adjust this to see longer periods of time, look at 1 week, or just check out 1 day. Up at the top, we have a graph showing their most commonly used websites and applications, as well as a historical log below of all of the websites and applications they've used for this given period of time. Down below, you will be able to see the date and time the activity took place, as well as the computer that the employee was using for that activity. You'll be able to see the URL the employee was accessing or the application that they were using for that duration of time. Under duration, you'll be able to see the amount of time they were accessing each website or application. Next to each line item, we will have access to the session player. If you click the camera icon, you will be able to see the live session pop up. This will show the user's exact screen while they were accessing the website or application. This is helpful should you need to download or take a screenshot of the activity they were participating in to use for later investigation. At the top, we can click the Show Idle Time button in order to see the user's idle time while they access any of the websites or applications below. We can also click the Aggregate button should you want to take a look at where the employee is spending most of their time throughout the day. The graph below will show the aggregate data, starting off with the website or application in which the user spent the most time. This can be helpful if you are looking at longer periods of time and want to understand where the user is spending most of their day. The Aggregate button will also show the full amount of time the employee has been spending on each application, and it will be sorted by duration. On the top right, we have the ability to search based on the user's application or website. On the right, we have 2 reporting buttons that we can use to download a copy of the information we see on the plain grid below. The first button here will download a copy of the report in a PDF, and the one to the right will download a copy of the report in a CSV Excel format. We can also customize the fields we would like to see by clicking the gear icon or setting things up for automatic export. We also have the option to refresh the page. Down below, we have the Websites and Applications dropdown. This will allow you to filter by websites or applications if you need to find something quickly.